Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Windows settings not opening or working on Windows 10. So firstly, you have to go to the search bar and write here CMD, choose Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Now you have to write here one single command, which is sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. Okay, now it will take some time to 100%. So let's wait, go to the next step. You can minimize it and go to the next step. The next step is you have to open PowerShell. To open PowerShell, you have to go here and write PowerShell, and then you can see choose as Run as Administrator. Click on this. Now click on Yes. Now you have to put here two single command what you'll find in the description below. The first command is this one. If you find the description, you can find this command. Just copy and paste it here. Now go to the second command. Hit enter. After that, you can see that it is working, so you have to hold on. After completing this one, you can minimize this and check that your settings has been working or not. If it's still the issue, if it's not working, then you have to go to the next step. The next step is you have to go here and write registry editor. Registry, this one. Click on registry editor. Click on yes. Now from here, choose HKey local machine. Double click on this, and then you'll find software. Double click on software. Now go Microsoft, which is in M section. This one, Microsoft. Double click on this. Then go to Windows, which is in W section. So go to the W section and you'll find here Windows. Double click on this. Then go current version. Double click on current version. Then you have to find policies, which is in P section. Policies. This one, policies. Double click on this, and then you have to find Explorer. This one. Double click on Explorer. Now in the space, this white space, you have to right click and click on hover up to new. Then you have to choose here .32-bit value, this one. Click on this and you have to name it NOCONTROL PANEL. You have to write exactly how I write. The first one should be capital letter, second one is small letter. Then controls, first C should be capital, P should be capital. Then click on yes. Now double click on this and set the value data 0. Click on this. Okay. Now you have to restart your computer and check back that your issues have been fixed or not. If still the issues, if it's not fixed, then you have to open a new user account. So how you can open user account? Go to here CMD, command prompt, choose Run as Administrator. Click on yes. Now you have to write here NET user and the username. You can write anything. I'm write Imran3 and then write here the password. So you can write any password here. I'm putting this password. You can give your own password, no problem. Now hit enter. Now again you have to write NET local group administrator. Local group administrators. Then you have to write here your name and then space / add. Now hit enter. you can see that the new account has been created. Now you have to go this option, Imran's PC, and then you'll find the, no, sorry, you have to restart your computer first. After restart, you have to log in your second account what you have created here. Okay, in second account it will be normal and everything will be fine. So guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.